Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit Mobile. So you have two options of doing so. In the first method, you just have to launch your Bybit application, and here in the search bar you need to search for BTC. Over here you just have to choose the BTC/USDT pair in the spot. After that you just have to simply tap on the sell option, and here you just have to enter the amount of BTC that you want to convert into USDT. Then it will show you the equivalent amount, so you just have to simply click on the sell button and you will be able to convert your BTC into USDT. Now if you choose the selling method, then in this method you will have to bear the platform fee, but if you want to convert BTC to USDT without any gas fees or without any platform fee, then what you need to do is you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner, or what you can do is on the home page you can see this more option, so you just have to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on the services page. Over here you need to use the search bar in the top and search for convert. After that you will be landed on this type of conversion page. Over here you just have to first tap on the funding account, and over here you need to make sure that you select that particular account in which you have your BTC. Most probably your BTC might be in the unified trading account or in the funding account, so you just have to select that account respectively. Let's say I have selected the unified trading account because I have some BTC in my unified trading account. So after selecting it, you just have to select the pair, that is BTC in the from and USDT in the to section. Next we have to add the amount of BTC that we want to convert into USDT, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. After that, instead of the quote button, you will be able to see the convert option, so you just have to press that convert option, and within 10 seconds you just have to complete your conversion. Once done, you will receive your USDT in your Bybit account, and in order to view it you just have to come to the home page again and tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.